twisted pretty bad, so I want to even them up really good. Screw them together in a couple places. So I'm going to put this header in, and then I'll put cripples above it. But it just happened to be one of them I had that was just a smidge long, so I trimmed it down here on this end. And I'm going to use it instead of trying to figure out, or use it instead of building one. Just use up stuff I've got. So I was just lucky I had one the right length for the window I bought. So I was getting everything cut for my window. I'm going to put it up about 43 inches. That'll give me plenty of clearance above the counter. And it's only a 24. It's a slider. And then I've got everything pretty much done. I got all except for the top cripples over my plate up there that I'm still. I'll just wait till I get to that point to cut them. guess that'll be it for today because my big battery's dead and I know my other ones are. So I'll pick this up tomorrow. We got rain coming in. I can see it again. Really hate this, but this weather is just killing me on jobs. So I do what I can, where I can, when I can. So, but I like using screws because I think it's solider. This will flex and bend a lot if it's ever moved much, and it will be moved at least 1 or 2 times I know of. Wants to get it out of here so I can bring in another project, and then maybe when we find another bigger, better place. So I'm gonna go put my batteries on charge and get them all charged up, get this stuff put away before the rain comes in, and we'll see you later. When I come out this morning, it was nice and cool. We worked in the shop for a while because it was drizzling, and now the sun is just relentless. Just popped out of nowhere. And I mean, it's cloudy everywhere. Just one little spot there. So I had to bend this down because I got my stop block still set up because I still got more studs to cut. But to put this wall together on that end, on that end down there, I'm going to have to slide the whole wall this way. So I'm going to go ahead and put one tie in this corner right here real quick so I can move the whole top plate and everything. So I'm probably going to have to go grab my cheater real quick, and I'll be right back. So this is my cheater. You can put this on here, get a bite, and use it to twist. I'm going to need help with it, so I'm going to have to wait a little bit. So we had a surprise rain come in. I don't know if you can see the water, but had to put everything up. So now I'll get started on this, and we'll try to get the top of this wall finished. That way I can move around and move around to the other side and get it finished and get this wall off so I can build the next one. that one in place. Now I switch to my handy dandy tool. Take that bit out. And then just get this little short one. Put this one back right there for now. Oh, it's a 90-degree box for your impact driver. Get into tight spots, it works really great. These are very useful tools. There's a lot of little add-ons you can get for different equipment. And I'll tell you what, it may be a cheap little thing, but it is definitely handy in tight situations. Putting them in at an angle because one screw right there at the bottom just barely stuck out, and I did not want to have to, when I butt up a wall, have to mess with trying to work around screws. Now it's finished. So I can get this off and start on the other one.